Hello, I'm going to replace the power supply in a computer. Show you how to do it in less than 5 minutes. You'll need a number 2 Phillips screwdriver and your hands. That's it. There's 4 screws on the back. Pull those 4 screws. Set them aside so as not to lose them, although generally speaking your new power supply is going to come with 4 screws, so you'll have extras. The power supply, once the 4 screws are out, should just come out, and you'll see all the cables are then still connected to your devices. They simply pull out of the drives. Usually there is not a clip of any kind on there. There's a clip on your SATA cable, but there is not a clip on your power cable, so just rock them back and forth and they will come out. These down here have clips on them to hold them to the motherboard. See these clips right here? Just press your thumb right there, pull them straight out. This one can be a little difficult. Sometimes you can remove this drive bay, or if you can just get your hands in there, then press it on the back. Again, there's another one of those clips, and then just kind of rock it back and forth until it comes out. And the power supply is out. Installing it is simply the reverse. Stick your power supply back in. I did that upside down, but I'll show you. There's one hole that's offset, so you can only stick it in there one way. Put your 4 screws back in. I'll take my cables and I'll pull them to the side here so I can just kind of see what I got. And keep it clean. Here's your 20-pin connector. It does have usually this piece, the 4-pin connector that'll come off if your board only has 16. Slide it back in. Again, just rock it back and forth. Don't press too hard right there. You don't want the board to break, especially if it was installed without enough support screws on the bottom. There's our 2 4-pin connectors. They're going to go right here. These are keyed as well as with the clips, so if you try and plug them in backwards, they won't go. There's no way to get them in there, but if you put them in this way, then they'll just slide right in and clip, and now they won't come back out. Your SATA power connectors, they're also keyed. You can't put them on backwards. If you do, you just broke something. So just take a look. It's easier to pull your SATA data cable out, and then if you see this, there's an L shape to it. This part, the L part of the connector, is going to go closest to your SATA data connector. So don't forget to plug this back in. I'll grab the other one here so I can help to keep this a little cleaner in here. Tuck my cables out of the way. Again, I've got the L shape. Plug it in right there. Don't forget to plug your SATA cable back in. And you're done. Under 5 minutes. The only thing you got left is data or a cable cleanup.